morning, dear students. I'm your teacher Lorena. Hello. So today we practice some characteristics of the animal. So let's see. So what is this animal? Yes, we can see an elephant, a zebra, and giraffe. So the elephant is a big animal. It's gray or brown and have trunk. We can see the family of elephants. Los elefantes tienen trompa, ¿cierto? They have trunk. And we can see the father elephant, the mother elephant, and the baby elephant. Yes. What animal is that? Yes, it's a parrot. It's small, es pequeño, can fly, puede volar, and have 3 colors. Tiene 3 colores. ¿Cuáles son? Let's see. Red, good, blue, and green. Excellent. Tiene 3 colores. Red, green, and blue. Good job. What animal is that? Yes, it's a kangaroo. The kangaroo can jump. Is brown and carry their baby. A los canguros les encanta saltar. They love to jump. Y como podemos ver, carga su bebé. They carry their babies. What animal is that? Excellent. It's a monkey. The monkey is small and love jump. A ellos les gusta saltar. They love to jump. And is small. And also is funny. Ellos son muy divertidos. They love to smile. Look at this. This is a little baby monkeys. So what is your favorite animal? Monkey, kangaroo, parrot, or elephant? ¿Qué animal te gustó más? Elephant, parrot, kangaroo, or monkey? Okay, so let's practice. So hello, so now we practice some characteristics that the animals do. Okay, are you ready? Good. So practice with me. So we can jump like a kangaroo. We can walk like an elephant. We can hug like a baby monkey. We can run faster as a lion. And we can fly like a parrot. Okay, are you ready? So practice more faster with me. So jump, 1, 2, 3. Walk, 1, 2, 3. Hug, really hard. You can run 1, 2, 3, 4. And you can fly like animal or like a butterflies. Good? So now you have practiced with your parents. Good job. Bye.